sitting in the morning sun. I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Look like nothing's gonna change, everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Listen, sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. Listen, 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my home. Now I'm just gonna sit at the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Cali, get down like this. Come and get down like that. Cali! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Crawling up the streets and rolling through your town is electric. Corner, but I'm feeling disconnected. Because I'm young, dumb, and loaded like a shotgun. She coasting up on a Santa Cruz long one, rolling it up and smoking it up. She turn around and goes, where you from? Left coast, best coast, did I stutter? West coast, that's my bread and butter. Rap fam, hot damn on the come on. Everybody be like, what up, motherfucker? She looks like she's from California. She dances to left feet and do the hips to polka. Funny looking, shake a leg, bunny. I can never be the stupid, but it's fine. She looks like she's from California. Cali, get down like this. Cali, get down like this. You know we ain't done yet, right? Cali, what's up?
Nah, she ain't done yet. She slapping down Sunset. She so cold like Frisco. She OG like disco. She rock them Vans till the day that she die. I'm in and out, we getting saucy. Got the animal style.
So where you from?
Yeah, we're tropical, it's typical.
What puts you up?
Just a gnarly individual. Yo, you don't know what you're missing. One life from good living. Quit your job, but Cali sick, and you can take a visit to the
Left coast, best coast, did I stutter? West coast, that's my bread and butter. Rap fam, hot damn on the come on.
Everybody be like, what up, motherfucker?
She looks like she's from California. She dances to left feet and do the hips to polka.
say